Hey pretty people, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are doing a transformation cut on my client here. She has been coming to me for quite some time, but I haven't seen her in a couple months. So we've had some breakage in the front of her hairline. So we are going to do a haircut, which is more like somewhat of a micro pixie on the sides and the back. So we start off by doing what we call our preliminary cut to go ahead and kind of get that shape that we're looking for and to cut down that hair that we will not be relaxing at all in the process. This particular part of the process I'm very careful with. Mind you, you are going to be doing a relaxer, so you don't want to irritate the scalp in any form. So if you are using your clippers, just make sure that you are gentle and you're not heavy-handed or putting too much pressure on the scalp itself, because that can also cause irritation when it's time for the relaxer itself. I do have a guard on because I wanted to make sure that I did preserve as much length on the sides and the back or a little more length than I would actually need. So when it was time for the haircut, I wouldn't have the hair too short too soon. Now for the cut purpose, we went ahead and after the relaxer started doing our scissors over comb. And at this point of the process, I will not be using the clippers, only when it's time for her hair to be fully dry and for us to do any type of detailing on the hairline. Shears to me, or shears cut, is probably one of the best cuts. That's actually one of my favorite types of cuts. I'm not really big on the razor, even though you could use it as well. But I'm a shears person. I feel like if I don't use my shears, I'm like not staying true to being an actual cosmetologist. But that's just my thought process. But that was just a little side note. Anyhow, we're finishing up her haircut. Now in the crown area, we are keeping some of the length, but I did want to blend the actual haircut on the sides. So this is what we call a connected cut. Connected cuts means that you are blending all sides, and then you can still leave the top longer because you can blend in to the top area being longer. Now, a disconnected cut would mean that the sides and the crown do not actually meet, or they don't actually match. So those styles where you get like the feathered bang, that is what we consider a disconnected haircut because it is not blended on all sides. Just a little side note, little pro tips and stuff for you guys. Anyway, once the haircut is finished, it is product time. So you guys know Elite Hair Care USA specializes in hair repair, hair regrowth, and hair maintenance products. So for her shortcut, we are going to be using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. This is definitely going to be, of course, my go-to wrap foam for regardless if my clients are natural and they're doing a twist out, or if I'm doing a shortcut, or even if I'm just molding the sides of the hair, or maybe I'm just molding baby hair on a wig. That is my go-to. That's my child, okay? The Elite Silk Wrap Foam is child number 5. But of course, it does leave a nice hold on the hair. It doesn't flake, and it doesn't leave the hair crunchy. And you see my client nodding her head because she knows the facts. So I went ahead and applied the wrap foam all over her head. You guys know me. I'm one to put it in my hand and then distribute it. But of course, you can apply it to the hair directly. It's really by choice, you guys. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I am one of those people where I'm frugal with products. So I feel like if I put too much foam, it's going to irritate me because I know I've wasted a lot of products. And then I'm going through and I'm just waving the sides and the back of her head. We are doing a wave mold. This is one of those styles where, I tell people, like, listen, don't plan for this to last a very long time. Waves are easy to disturb. They are not like finger waves where they are hard. These are actually very soft and pliable. So with just a misplacement of your scarf can actually manipulate the wave a little too much. But that's just my thought process on them. It's not a style that I would do to myself, but my client here, she absolutely loves the waves. They always come out great on her. And for some strange reason, she can make anything last forever in her hair. So it works for her. It works for me. If you guys notice, the wrap foam is dissipating as we use it, but it is still there. So with the comb waves, if you guys notice, I'm just literally making what we call C shapes, left to right or right to left. There's no right or wrong way to do the waves. Everybody does them different. Some people like them smaller, some people like them larger. It just depends on the stylist and the look that you're going for. Me personally, I don't do as many wave styles anymore because I just know at the end of the day, number one, they're not easy to maintain. And while they look very, very pretty, they're not going to be a 2 or 3 week hairstyle. You know what I mean? So it's something that you definitely have to be able to mold your own hair. And this is another reason why I recommend that all of my clients who have shortcuts of any nature, that they always have a bottle of Elite Silk Wrap Foam at home to use, so that if their waves are disturbed or if their mold is disturbed, they are able to do their mold over again and be able to go through their time until they come back into the salon. So the wave style, like I said, it's, if you like it, cool. If you don't, cool too. There's no right or wrong way, and there's no right or wrong in regards to you wanting to wear it or not. Now for the crown area, we're going to lay that area flat. She is going to go under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes without any form of paper holding the hair. Reason being is it's kind of sometimes the papers and the wrap strips can also disturb the mold when you have wave styles. So that's another reason why we did not apply any paper. Plus, she just got a fresh relaxer, so that hair is laying extremely scalp. We have slayage, we have layage, and all that good stuff. So she's now dry. She's from under the dryer, and I'm just going through and doing a little bit of detailing, cleaning up any of the areas that I might have missed or that I want to go back and change and fine tune. So that's what we're doing now, and we're really going to just focus more on the crown area and do what we call some C shapes or some flat iron curls or flat iron pin curls. And then I did apply a little bit of our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum to her hair to help us with the curling process, to also add that lumination or that luster to the hair. And it's also going to serve as a form of heat protectant on the hair as well. Now I'm using a 3/10 of an inch flat iron. This is made by H2 Pro. I do have a link down in my description box for all of the products that you guys see me using, as well as a link in the description box for the H2 Pro in my Amazon store, so you guys have access to the tools that you guys see me using that might not be a part of the Elite Hair Care USA hairline. Our products will also soon be on Walmart.com and Amazon.com. For those of you that like to use your Prime, or maybe you want to use your Walmart card, you'll be able to get our products coming very soon on both e-commerce channels, as well as Elite Hair Care USA. Yeah, congrats to us. So we're working really hard to really get our products accessible to you guys. For those of you that are in the UK, we are also working to get Elite Hair Care UK started up, so you guys will not have to pay such high fees in shipping, and you'll be able to get your products almost immediately within the next day, 1 to 3 business days. So you guys just look out for that as well. We are in the works of a lot of great things, and we are coming bigger and better every single day. So I'm really, really happy, and I appreciate everybody's support. How you can also support Elite Hair Care USA is simply, and this is actually free to do. It costs you not $1. All I need everybody to do, if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, and also thumbs up this live. Before you even comment, just send us a thumbs up, so we know at the end of the day you guys are supporting us. You guys are showing your love to Elite Hair Care, which you've been doing for over 2 years now. We appreciate you guys. But for our newbies, join the family, hit that subscribe button, and also thumbs up, and hit thumbs up this live, or this video. It's not even live, as you guys are watching. Please also go and subscribe to our mailing list on our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com. This is also where you are able to get our products if you are based in the USA or Canada or any of those other countries. Our shipping is actually extremely low for Canada right now, and also for some of the other international countries. But the UK is not one of them. So we are working to get a distributor for you guys, because shipping to the UK is extremely high. But that doesn't stop you from ordering. We're trying to work out a better system for our UK clients, because we know there are so many of you that want access to our amazing hair regrowth products and hair repair products. All right, you guys. So far, I like to ask everybody to comment down below and tell us what you think about this style as we are pulling it together. Her hair is not flaking at all, so you can tell our Elite Silk Wrap Foam is the bomb. It does not flake on the hair, and it does not leave behind any form of residue or stickiness on the hair. That is something that we pride ourselves on. We wanted to make sure that our products were usable on all hair types. So if you're natural and you're doing your twist outs and you don't want that white residue or that sticky film on the hair, or you don't want that flakiness to make you look like dandruff, stick with the Elite Silk Wrap Foam, and it is in stock on our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to let you guys finish watching the developing style. And don't forget to comment and tell us what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you love it? Or do you love it? All right, you guys. Talk to you guys later. And don't forget to shop the Memorial Weekend sale. That starts May 29th, 2021 and ends May 31st. 2021. No code is needed and everything is 30% off on both Elite Hair Care USA and EliteTotalBodyCare.com. Thanks for watching, guys.